Today we're making some spicy lime pepper sauce. If you're from the Caribbean, Guyana, any island, you will know every household have pepper sauce. And today I'll share a nice version we make with lime and how delicious this go. And I'm also doing a collaboration to put us up with some black piranha fish cake. Bet you never had that. And my buddy Chef Gustav is making it. This is his channel, Off the Hook GY. So we're gonna start with our lime pepper sauce, and we're gonna use some nice key lime. You know, this skin of this lime is very thin. That's why we like to make lime pepper sauce with it. We use some garlic, a little bit of vinegar, some salt, and of course, it's a spicy one, so we're gonna add a whole bunch of different flavors. See that? Man, everything is fresh. I got some nice curry pepper, some boiled pepper, and some habanero pepper. I'm gonna chop this up with the garlic. You can see what's the next stage with that. I'm just gonna add a little bit of vinegar, just about a quarter cup. If somebody could drop me a comment, let me know why we add vinegar to this mix. I'd be greatly appreciated. Add some salt. Now we're only boiling this lime just to soften the skin a little. This is a very thin skin lime, so it doesn't need to be boiled for long. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I actually overcooked it just by about a minute here because I did like for 3 minutes. But I believe that 2 minutes is best for this lime. I'm gonna take this out, and what I did was I ran it under some cold water under the sink, so it could reduce down the cooking time of the lime itself. And here I'm gonna use a plate to cut these up. This is gonna save all the lime juice from throwing away, and instead of spilling all over the countertop. And that's gonna add directly back to the jar. So I went ahead and peeled the garlic and stuff. I'm gonna blend the garlic and this pepper. I'm gonna dry blend it. You'll see what that is. And I'm gonna add the curry pepper and the boiled pepper directly to the container here. Because you know we like to have that nice little chunk in our sauce when we're eating. You can cut up the lime any size you want, you know, based on how big or small your lime is. As you can see, lots of juice left over. Some people take out the seed. Man, I usually add everything up together. When this cure properly after 2 to 3 weeks, everything lash in. Look at that. So it does need more lime juice. So you get fresh lime, just squeeze that. You can substitute it with lemon too. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the garlic and the pepper. You don't have to blend it. If you want, you can chop up your garlic and pepper very small and add it to the lime just like that, to the lime sauce that's boiled already. See, mine is, you know, we got this machine to use it. It's just easy work. So I'm gonna add this directly to my lime, and I'm gonna add some salt on top of that. Now in Guyana, we would put this outside in the yard for it to sun. But over here, you know, you gotta be careful in the US or Canada. You can put it by your window, and it'll be just as fine. An hour a day. It does need some more lime juice, so it's good to cover everything fully. Look at that. 2 weeks time, this is gonna be banging and lashing. The house smelling full of pepper right now. Just nice. Look at how chunky it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's short video. Hope you do enjoy it. Please go ahead and check out my buddy's channel, man. Chef Gustav is an awesome guy. He does lots of fishing, lots of cooking. And as always, thanks for watching. Please do hit that subscribe button.